In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Pipedrive Insights. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. There, you'll find a tab labeled Insights. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the fun begins. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation hub, which is located in the left pane. This area is your portal to everything you have access to when it comes to data analysis. It's neatly divided into 3 core elements that are quite essential. The first element you'll notice is dashboards. Think of dashboards as your big picture views. They combine multiple charts and reports, allowing you to perform quick health checks on your sales pipeline and overall performance at a glance. It's a great place to start if you're looking for a summary of how things are going. Next, we have goals. This part of the Insights feature is all about tracking progress against specific targets. Whether you're monitoring won deals, revenue milestones, or any other key performance indicators, this area keeps you focused on what you're aiming to achieve. It's motivating to see how close you are to hitting these goals. The third element is reports. In this section, you can dive deep into individual views of data that answer specific questions you might have. If you're curious about stage conversions or activity metrics, this is where you'll want to go. The reports give you a more granular look at the numbers, helping you understand the specifics behind the bigger picture. As you explore this navigation hub, you'll notice a Create button located at the top left of your screen. This button is crucial because it allows you to build a new dashboard, goal, or report. So if you want to customize your Insights experience or pivot your focus to a new area, that's your go-to spot. Let's say you've already clicked on a report from the left pane, or maybe directly from a dashboard widget. This action takes you to a detailed report that can provide valuable insights. Now, let's talk about analyzing the data. At the top of this detailed report, you'll see a chart displaying various metrics. This chart is your starting point. It gives you an at-a-glance view of patterns and trends. You can quickly identify if there are areas of concern or if things are heading in the right direction. After giving the chart a look, scroll down to the data table. This section is where you can review the specific numbers and details behind the visuals. Dive into the individual data points to understand what they mean and how they correlate with the overall picture. So to wrap things up, navigating Pipedrive Insights is all about understanding how to access dashboards, goals, and reports, and how to analyze both visual and numerical data effectively. Whether you're tracking performance or analyzing trends, these insights are instrumental in making informed decisions for your business. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips useful. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video